Hello viewers, welcome back to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off Windows Defender on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off or disable Windows Defender on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Update and Security. In left pane you will find Windows Security. Click on Windows Security. Here you will find Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down. Click here Manage Settings. You will find here Real-Time Protection and Cloud Delivered Protection. By default it's turned on. Just click here to turn it off, and also turn off cloud-based protection. Go to Home. You will find here Firewall and Network Protection. Click on Firewall and Network Protection. Here you will find three profiles. Number one is domain profile. If your computer is joined with a domain controller, you have to turn off domain profile. Click on domain network and look, Microsoft Defender firewall is turned on here. Just click here to turn it off. Now go back. Again, if your computer is connected to a private network, you have to click on private network and here click here to turn it off. Again go back and scroll down. You will find here a public network. If your computer is connected to a public network such as coffee shop or public places, you have to turn off this firewall and click here to turn it off. In this way, you can turn off or disable Windows Defender on Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.